So hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. I am here back you with another new token named Safe Cow, another new great DeFi project named Safe Cow. As you know, there are many scam projects that go in the market and they scam very fast. So I try to share you legitimate tokens and sites where you can invest and earn good amount of money. So please subscribe my channel and support me. This site name is safecow.xyz, which I am going to share you now. Safecow is an innovative and new kind of money. Safecow will change your life in near future. Are you ready for anti-whale coin? Okay, so you can check out this all here, and when you go down you will simply check it. Don't be afraid of whale dumping on you. What is safe cow? It will show you what is safe cow anti-whale mechanism, and all you can check out here is RFI reward 5% for safe cow holders of safe cow. Automatic liquidity pool, every trade contributes toward automatically generate liquidity token inside pancake swap. Okay, they are listed on pancake swap, and you can check. Don't be afraid of whales, and you can check all this all here. You can join their telegram from here, and okay, and you can check copyright strike and this all this, you know. So the main feature, the main is about the site. I will show you. This is about the site I already showed you. Here you can check their chart of the site. I will show you. It is loading, I think. So my network problem. So you can check the total supply is this much of token. Market capital is this. Safe cow BNB LP BNB holding 4.9 BNB. You can check here, and more you can check safe cow transactions here. Safe cow contract. Now I will show you the contract of this site, and you can check the contract address has been here, and the balance you can check 0.01 B and B is equal to $10, and you can check all this is okay. So token tracker is safe cow and all this. So to how to buy you this coin, simply click buy now button here. It will take you to pancake swap. Simply here you will get exchange. Simply click I understand button and click continue. Then simply connect your wallet from here. I use MetaMask, so MetaMask I will do. Here it will tell you to log in your account. I will do login. Now simply click unlock button here, and you can check my wallet has been connected to this site. Now simply you have to do this. It will say you to exchange from BNB to safe cow. If you have BNB, you can use all the cryptocurrency. There are a lot of cryptocurrency. You can use anything. Like if I want to use one BNB, how much token I will get, it will show there. So you can check if I use spend 1 BNB, I get 3087150 safe now tokens. And then you have to click simply swap button here. You will get, if you have sufficient balance, then your token will be added to your MetaMask or Trust wallet. So site is very good. If you want to buy this token, you can buy this token.